Let's start by walking through the 41 hertz brainwave function of a human being. There are 5 categories of brainwaves, and this is the everyday activity and behavior of a human. So there are 5 categories in a 41 hertz continuous range. We start with the slowest waveform, which is a high amplitude, low waveform, and that is delta. Delta is 0.5 hertz to 4 hertz. So when your brain is in this state, it's not up for debate. We know exactly what's happening. You are in a dreamless like deep sleep. Your body is healing. When you go a little faster frequency, 4 hertz to 7 hertz, you are in what's called theta. Theta is just above deep sleep. It's like almost a lucid dream state, but your body, your cells are restoring and you're cleaning your cell toxins and your mitochondria is restored. There's a reason it's called the healing zone. It's a really important piece of the sleep architecture, and it's a frequency. Alpha is 8 hertz to 12 hertz. Alpha is commensurate with being in the zone, being creative, being relaxed, and it's the first stage of sleep. Then you have beta. Beta is the broadest range of human function. From 13 to 15 hertz is low mental state. You're alert, but you're not really that engaged. 15 to 20 is the learning zone. You have clarity, comprehension, and concentration, but a lot of us don't play in that area. We play in fear, stress, worry, anticipatory anxiety. That's 20 hertz to 25 hertz. 25 to 30 is higher levels of fear, stress, worry, anxiety. And then 30 to 38 is pure fight, flight, or freeze, where you're cognitively dissociated and your body is completely freaking out. And then above that is the final category of the 5 categories called gamma. And gamma is unique because it's 39 to 41 hertz, which is a very tight band, but it's very fast. And this is equivalent to monk-like meditation of higher consciousness, which is pretty wild. But it's also increasing your olfactory, your peripheral vision, activating your gross motor cortex and your sensory motor rhythm, and preparing you for ultimate battle. Okay? New Calm has taken 33 years and $42 million of patented clinically proven neuroscience that used to be a 4-component complex $6,000 device into a mobile app. And on that app, there are 6 channels. So you as a consumer get to choose. How do I want to feel right now at this moment? And how do I want to activate this and get to a state without drugs or side effects? So deep sleep is used at night. It's used through a speaker. It is not binaural signal processing. It's called isochronic waveform. So through a speaker at night, you put on deep sleep, and within minutes, it simply cycles your brainwave down to 0.5 hertz and puts you to sleep. It's an 8-hour track, and along that journey of sleep, you're filling in gaps in your sleep architecture, and your sleep efficiency is improving. Then we have rescue, power nap, and flow state. These are the core clinical therapeutic values of NuCalm. Rescue has been used in over 2 million surgical procedures, replacing general anesthesia with people being operated on listening to our physics. This is the key, this is the patents and all the stuff we've done across the years with cancer and multiple sclerosis and addiction and trauma and surgical procedures. Rescue is the key cornerstone neuroacoustic software of NuCalm. Rescue is the key for any athlete and any fan. Any fan who is so excited, they get so amped up for the game, and then you win, you're amped up, and you lose, you're so disappointed. Rescue is something you do after performance for recovery. Reset my mind, reset my body, lower my stress response, raise my rest response. When I raise my rest response, I can be more patient, more present, more clear-headed, more focused, more energized, more calm. I'm not sabotaged by anxiety and fear and other people's concerns and worries. So rescue, power nap, and flow state are the recovery elements. Then we have focus. Focus was just released in July of 2022. It took us 7 years to create this. Focus oscillates your brain between 15 and 20 hertz. There's a specific frequency that correlates to high levels of clarity, concentration, and comprehension, and that's 18.4 hertz. The human brain can only stay in a thinking process like this clear focus for 15 to 20 minutes. It's called the Pomodoro technique. So for about 15 to 20 minutes, we can be focused. Then you'll notice your mind starts to distract and we reach diminished returns. Well, not with physics, you don't. So we have a 47-minute full focus track. You put headphones on and you are laser focused on what you're trying to accomplish. Then we have Ignite. Ignite is hugely beneficial to the professional athlete. For 6 years, we use this in confidence with 56 professional sports teams and across the Department of Defense. literally putting this into the hands or into the heads of Special Forces, Air Force Special Operations Command, Navy SEALs, etc. Ignite oscillates your brain starting at 15 hertz in a 14-minute neuroacoustic software journey all the way up to 40 hertz, where you're fully activated and ready to prepare for any performance, and you will have an unstoppable feeling of absolute certainty. Let me repeat that. An unstoppable feeling of absolute certainty. You will achieve anything you set your mind to because there is no distraction and you are fully activated, so you have full access to all of your muscle memory and all of your training.